Welcome to the Efficiency and Organization YouTube channel. And this is a video in the series of videos where I talk about how you could declutter and be more organized and have lots of ideas on how you could live your life more efficiently and more effectively to accomplish more. So in this video, I'll share with you tips 46 through 50. All the videos leading up to this one will be in the description of this video. So tip 46 for how you could declutter and be more organized involves coffee mugs. If you have an overabundance of coffee mugs in your home, in your office, you do need to think about donating them or somehow getting rid of them. So if you're like me, probably over the course of time, you've gotten Christmas gifts of coffee mugs and you've bought some that you thought were super cute. That's awesome, but you do not need 50 million of them. So try to declutter. Say, no, I'm only gonna keep 5 or at most 10. And the rest, be sure to donate, be sure to get rid of so you can have less clutter in your home and at work. Remember, organization is one of the keys to success. So if you're trying to get like some big goals accomplished, short-term goals, long-term goals, you do need to think about being super organized and having decluttered spaces so you can have more focus and you can have more energy spent on the things that matter. Tip number 47, water bottles take too much time and clutter spaces. So instead of buying water bottles, you might want to think about getting a water filter. So if we're talking about decluttering, this is important. And I don't buy water bottles very often, maybe once every 2 months or so, and I take them to work because I don't have a filter there. But at home, we do not buy any bottled waters. There's no space needed for them. So basically we have the filter that we use. And if you can get that also just to get rid of the clutter. Tip 48, you are going to buy things that you need to replace, not because they are cute or fun, because again, all they do is clutter spaces. So a lot of times with us women, I know hair products, we see it, we think it's so cute, we buy it. And then other times it has to do with shirts and accessories. And then we use them once or twice. Next thing you know, we have so many that clutter up spaces. So we are going to only buy things that we are replacing, and we can replace with a cute item, but not buying just to have, because again, all we're doing is creating lots of clutter, and that's getting in our way of focusing on things that are more important. Tip 49 has to do with unused cans of food, boxes of food that are sitting in your pantry. So the pantry should not be super overstocked. It should be well stocked, but not overstocked. So if you have a lot of things there that are sitting around, consider getting rid of them. How about you put a number? Say, okay, I'm only gonna keep 25 canned goods. If I have more than that, I'm going to donate the rest to a food bank. I'm gonna take it somewhere where I know somebody can use it. So we do not want too much stuff in our pantries. So if there's an overabundance, let's get rid of them. And before I share tip 50, please be sure to subscribe to this channel if you like what you're hearing. And videos come out every 2 weeks, so be sure to hit the notification bell so you could be notified when a new video comes out. And they're all super helpful materials. All that I talk about are productivity, time management, being well planned, having good goal setting skills. So basically anything that's going to help you achieve and be more productive in your life. Okay, now tip 50, garage tools. All you want to do is have your garage tools and any supplies in categories and have them labeled. So for example, my Christmas decorations, they're in containers and they have labels on them. Halloween decorations have labels on them. Our tools, the hammers are in one drawer, the nails are in another drawer. So just take some time. It might take like 2 weeks, depending on how much you work, but take some time and organize the tools, label them, have them in specific containers. So that way you have decluttered spaces. And if you need tools, if you need anything like that, it's easy to find. Before I started labeling, I would go through my containers and like have to open each one to see, do I have Christmas decorations here? No, I don't. These are Thanksgiving. How about here? No, these are Halloween. and the minutes add up. So in order for us to be efficient, we have to have labels. So then all we do is go straight to that label and get what we need and done. Stress-free. That's all I have for this video, and I will catch you in the next one.